my god! Alright, you guys, straight to the fucking point. Today, we're gonna be comparing two stick lights. If you don't know what a stick light is this little light you have in the corner. Or what is that called? What the? A floor lamp basic. What the? Besides the point, you guys, we're gonna be comparing this one. Couldn't even focus it. Oh my god. But yeah, I got that one on Amazon, I think for around $39.99, you guys, 40 bucks just to round it up. And we're gonna compare it to this one I got off Amazon as well. I was like, let me try this shit out. 100 bucks. This motherfucker cost me 100 bucks, you guys. So yeah, we're gonna be comparing this one, 100 bucks, and let's see which one's better, you guys. So I'm sure, hopefully you guys take this video as a good resource to be like, I'd rather buy this one or that one or whichever one you guys want to buy. But I hope this one's better because, you know, the price is higher, so it must be better, right, you guys? But let's check it out, you guys. Hopefully it's a little bit better to see. Now I got my GoPro. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's recording and got it on my butt. Let's unbox this real quick, you guys. Not too big of a box. Took 2 days to get here. Shout out to Prime. Get our little knife. Open this. Let's get it, you guys. Okay. Open. No shit. Oh my god. What the hell? Does it pull up? Okay. Not too bad. I'll open this. You guys even see that? Okay, perfect. Alright, so we get this. I guess some instructions. What is this though? Let's open this little bag up. Whoa, wait, wow, that's actually dope. Wasn't expecting this string of light, because that one's just in pieces. The one I have in the corner right now, there's 4 pieces that connect together, but this is just a straight little thing like we got off the TikTok shop, so that's kind of cool. I'm actually gonna like this one way better, but we'll see, you guys. Let's put that to the side real quick. We got the instructions right here. I'm gonna just come back to you guys. I'm gonna fix this shit real quick, and I'll meet you guys at the end of, oh shit. This is gonna take 5 minutes, you guys. Watch this. Alright, you guys, we're finally done installing it. We're gonna see how it is, you guys. I got the app on my phone, so that's how we're gonna turn it on. Let me turn off all the lights real quick, and then I'll show you guys how it turned out. It took a minute to get that shit on. I don't know, it wasn't like, there was a little bit of slack, and I didn't know how to get it in, but I got it in somehow, you guys. Alright, guys, this is my first time turning it on, you guys. Let's get it. Oh my god! Oh my god, focus. Oh, dude, that's bright. Look, I got the app right there. Let's turn it back off. Let's turn the other one, you guys. Oh my god. See, it came with the remote, but the other one came with the app. Not too exciting. It just turns on and off, but it's nice. It has a bright color to it. It's long. I had to put this one on top of a garbage can. All right, let's turn that one back on, you guys. Oh my god. This one's definitely brighter though, you guys. Look, I had to put that. But yeah, you can get the colors. There's a spectrum right here. Whoa, you guys. Yeah, that one's more like detailed in color. I like how it spreads out more than that one, you guys, for sure. Like, even if I pull it back a little bit. Yeah, but this one, oh yeah, this one's way better, you guys. If you guys are gonna get a little stick light like that, you guys gotta go for the Goldie one. 100%, you guys. Look, let me keep playing around with the colors. Let's get movie. The fuck is it doing? It ain't doing anything. Tunnel. Oh my god. Dude, imagine you're on fucking acid. I'm just playing. Go festival. Halloween. Oh, that's dope, you guys. Look at that. Oh my god, Christmas? No way, bro. What the hell? You could really just be like there sitting in front of this light for hours and just, you know, thinking about life and shit. Damn, Mother's Day? Whoa, I'm tripping. Yeah, look at this, you guys. We're all the way back here. Look how much that like illuminates. Look at that weak ass light. This one, oh my god.